Hello, everyone. It's me, Rosa Rabbit. Welcome back to another day of sounds and words. Thanks for coming, Miss Hall. Thanks for being here, everybody. Let's begin with our learning target. Oh, I want to read this again today. I love to read. Okay, Rosa, that's fine. I can identify specific sounds in words. Great job, Rosa. Our first activity is going to be identifying rhyming words. Today it's a little different. I'm going to say 3 words. You're going to say the 2 that do not rhyme. Are you ready? Let's give it a try. Hub, sub, cab. Wait a minute. There's only 1 word that doesn't rhyme. You're going to choose the 1 word that doesn't rhyme. Let's try that again. Hub, sub, cab. Which one doesn't rhyme? Cab. Yes, cab. Let's do some more. Remember, we're choosing the 1 that doesn't rhyme. We, he, so. Which word doesn't rhyme? So. That's right, so. That, hat, this. Which word doesn't rhyme? This. That's right, this. Let's do another. So, no, come. Which one doesn't rhyme? Come. Great job identifying the 1 word that doesn't rhyme with the others. Now we're going to work on identifying the first sound we hear in words. I'm going to say 2 words. If those words start with the same first sound, we're going to put our hands in the air. If they do not rhyme, we're just going to shake our head. Let's give it a try. Ready? Cut, cast. Do they have the same first sound? That's right. Quit, start. Do they have the same first sound? No, they don't. Lash, slow. Do they have the same first sound? Nope, they don't. Let's do some more. Rich, right. Do they have the same first sound? Yes, they do. Let's do 1 more. Wet, paper. Do they have the same first sound? No, they don't. Great job identifying whether or not words start with the same first sound. Now it's time for me to get my choppers out. I am going to chop the sounds in a word. When I go like this, you're going to put the sounds together to say what the word is. Let's give that one a try. Go. Go. He. He. Oh. So. E. Me. B. B. Great job putting the sounds together to make a word. Now for our next activity, we are going to identify whether or not words end with the same last sound. So I'll say 2 words. Again, if they have the same last sound, we'll put our hands in the air. If they don't, we're going to shake our head no. Let's give that one a try. Big, hug. Do they have the same last sound? Yes, they do. Good job. Look, hike. Do they have the same last sound? Yes, they do. Rag, seam. Do they have the same last sound? Nope, they don't. Jar, zip. Do they have the same last sound? No, they don't. Let's do 1 more. Lab, cub. Do they have the same last sound? Yes, they do. Super job identifying whether or not 2 words have the same last or final sound. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. This time, I'm going to say the word, and you are going to chop the 2 sounds in the word. Let's give it a try. Say go. Now, chop the sounds in go. G. Oh, great job. Say he. Now chop the sounds in he. He. Great job. Say no. Now chop the sounds in no. Oh, great work. Let's do one more. Say me. Now chop the sounds in me. E. Great job saying all the sounds in a word. Now for our next activity, we are going to start with a word. We're going to change the first sound. We'll go like this. You'll say what our new word is. Are you ready? Say bin. Change B to F. Fin. Say fin. Change F to ch. Chin. Say chin. Change ch to p. Pin. Let's do one more. Say pin. Change p to t. Tin. Great job changing the first sound in a word to make a new word. Now for our next activity, we are going to start with the ending chunk or rhyme of a word. I'll tell you the first sound to add, and when I do this, you'll say what our word is. Are you ready? Say et. Add y. Yet. Say ag. Add t. Tag. Say un. Add s. Fun. Say egg. Add b. Beg. Let's do one more. Say og. Add f. Fog. Great job adding a first sound to the ending chunk or rhyme of a word to make a word. Now we are going to start with a word. Take away the first sound. When I go like this, you're going to say the remaining chunk or rhyme part that's left in the word. Are you ready? Say dawn. Say it without d. On. Say tin. Say it without t. In. Say pup. Say it without p. Up. Say hall. Say it without h. All. Let's do one more. Say teach. Say it without t. Each. Great job taking away the first sound in a word and saying the remaining chunk or rhyme of the word that's left. We're ready for our last activity, everybody. Today we're going to count words and sentences again. I'll say the sentence. Your job will be to count it and then say how many words there are. Are you ready? We had fun at recess. How many words was that? 5. Yes, that was 5. Can I read the next one? Yeah, Rosa, give it a try. Here we go. Can you sleep at my house? How many words is that, everybody? I think that one is 6. Can we say it again together? I'll put a finger in the air for each word you say. Can you sleep at my house? Yeah, that was 6. Good job. Let's do one more. Can you say another sentence, Rosa? My teacher is very nice. Aw, how many words is that, everybody? It's 5. That's right, 5 words in that sentence. My teacher is very nice. Well, great job with sounds and words, everybody. That's all we have for today. Thanks for joining